Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sweet Dreams by Roy Buchanan. We'll start by breaking down the song's structure and essential elements. You'll discover the key techniques that give this blues classic its distinctive sound. Get ready to explore the nuances of Roy Buchanan's legendary guitar work, focusing on his signature bends and vibrato. This step-by-step guide will help you master this timeless piece. Let's begin with the foundational chords and structure of Sweet Dreams. The song largely follows a classic 12-bar blues progression in the key of G. You'll need to be comfortable with G, C, and D major chords. Focus on clean chord changes and maintaining a steady rhythm. This solid base will prepare you for the more intricate lead guitar work that defines Buchanan's style. Practice these changes until they feel natural. Now let's dive into the heart of Sweet Dreams, the main riff and melody. This iconic phrase is played primarily on the B and G strings, often using a hybrid picking approach. Focus on the precise timing and articulation of each note. Buchanan's touch is crucial here, so experiment with your attack. Remember to add a touch of vibrato to those sustained notes, giving them that expressive vocal quality. Start slow and build your speed. Roy Buchanan's playing is defined by his incredible string bending and vibrato. You'll encounter significant bends, often 1.5 steps, particularly on the G string. Developing a wide, controlled vibrato is key to emulating his soulful sound. Pay attention to muting any unwanted string noise with your picking hand. Listen intently to the original recording to accurately capture the pitch and character of his bends. Consistent practice will refine your technique.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.